Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. Happy Halloween. So guys, this is the set that I done. Now, my base is Born Pretty's Milky White rubber base because after swatching the cat eyes, I felt like they needed a natural color base, so that's what I did. Added some base coat, and then I went in with some of these flakes, like there's still a little bit in there, and it was just going to be the perfect base for the crushed Starlight SZ13 that I do go ahead and use. So yes, I'm going in now with the crushed Starlight gel. I felt like this was going to be perfect on top of the flakes I'd already put down because I wanted some of this set to be matte and some of it glossy. So I know these kind of like flakes look amazing in gloss and in matte. Now, honestly, it took me a minute to think what I wanted to do. Then I remembered I had this stamping plate that had a beautiful cobweb, spider web, should I say, and I wanted to use that. Just like, why draw it? So I did swatch it and it did actually come out perfect. And I thought, you know what, we're going to do that. So I used the Born Pretty stamping gel for that. And that's basically the image that I do on all the nails. I just put them in different places. And for a few of the fingers and the thumb, I just kind of did like a French with it and just put it around the edges because, you know, I'd already stamped it. So I had a little bit left on the stamper. So I thought, yep, we're going to do that. Okay, guys, now I'm going in with the Only Green, which is MY128 from the Glass Bead Cat Magnetic set. Now that was the PR just unboxed. So now I'm just going on top of the nail with it. So there was a couple of nails I did from the cuticle, and then I did do another one from the free edge because I just wanted to kind of alternate the green. And now I'm just sort of feathering it down, and then I will use the magnet and magnetize it. And that's basically what I did for the set. And I think I had about 2 nails that had no green at all. I just thought it looked really pretty with the crushed Starlight in matte. So the nails are all done. I did do some top coat, and then I went ahead and buffed the nails, and then I done the matte, which is what I'm literally doing now. So I put everything in matte because I was going to use the top gloss, the glossy top coat, to basically add the top coat bit. So I did, when I looked at it, I thought, you know what, let me add the top coat on the green, and then using my liner brush, I basically used the top coat to just draw some of the lines, as you can see. And I don't know, for some reason it just kind of made it like just really pop and just give like a 3D because the rest of it was matte. So that's what I did on the rest of them, all the nails that basically had the cobwebs, spider webs, the webs. If you are interested in any of these gels in this video from Born Pretty, please feel free to use and share the discount code on screen, and you can save yourself some coin when you order and shop at bornpretty.com. So guys, that's basically what I did. I'm literally going in with a top coat and my liner brush and just adding the top coat just on the lines of the web, just to give it, I don't know, it just felt really 3D after doing it. And obviously I left the base matte completely. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial. Stamping plates are really underrated, and I absolutely love how this set turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments. This is the final look. I am in love because you can just see the flakes popping through, and there are similar flakes in the Crush Starlight gel. So I love gels like that that literally look amazing in gloss and in matte. Shout out to my niece Kyla if you're watching this. Auntie loves you. And to everyone else, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out. Bye.